surface. Now I want to be turned that way and I can't. I don't know what's surfacing that deep. I don't know if they're trout. There we go. There we go, people. Number 2. There we go, another smaller one. Okay, little guy, now don't do this to me. Ouch. Man, these are wicked. Wicked, wicked, wicked. All right, let me get my pliers. Man, they just hammer it. That guy right there, boy, makes you want to... I seem like he's healthy. Makes you want to punch down all those barbs. Well, it's number 2 for the day. Number 2. Yeah, it's right where I seen that, where it surfaced. Right where I seen it surfaced. Yeah, that's right on this break right here. I can kind of see it right through here. That was a little smaller one. Still fun to catch. These sure fight. Still would have made a tournament fish. I really want to get us turned again. There I turn again. There we go, another one. Another one. This is a nice one right here. Real nice one. Real nice one, people. And we got a largemouth here. Okay, guy, just don't stick me. Don't stick me. I don't know, it's about a 3-pounder. About a 3-pounder. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. Yeah, nice one right there. About a 3-pounder, nice healthy largemouth. All right, let's get you back in the water. Thank you, man. Thank you, little guy. Appreciate it. On the old hot neon spot. going to have to probably move back up again. It's a hot bait. Now, trifecta. Haven't had a trifecta for a while. All right, I gotta get us back up there before that pontoon gets here. That's a nice one. Probably like a 3-pounder or so. 2.5. Yeah, he was barely hooked, that guy. Smallmouth, that was buried again. Yeah, they like this little break here. It goes from, of course, shallow to, there's a little bit of a drop off. Actually, a big drop off, then it kind of goes into a grassy flat. So it looks like it's been a jig and a crankbait day. Looks like I got to get on the internet and find some more of these neon spots. I got that one at home. Well, actually I got 2 more. The one I used the other day where I damaged that smallie. Got to change out the hooks on that one. I felt so bad for that little fish. Did the best I could, but he just swallowed the whole thing right in. Alright, let's see what I can do here now. I know the boat's just gonna turn right away, but can only do what the wind wants it to do. I keep hitting my little LED lights in. That boat has no respect. He's just going to go right through red fishing. So they live on the lake, they don't own it. Let's turn the skin. Well, they're going to mess this up again. Why can't they go on the other side? Why can't they go through the middle of the lake? I gotta move up again. I gotta get out of this wind. I'm gonna cut them off. These hooks on these should be changed anyhow. They're, like I said, they're probably 30-year-old lures. Want to get off that log right there. That's where they hit. I should probably check my line too. That was a little nicer, that pontoon. I don't know if I cut them off or not, but went through that part of the lake. Looks like the wind has actually shifted again now. Another pontoon coming out. There we go. There we go, people. There we go, another one. There we go, another one on the jig. Feels like a pretty nice fish. Yep, nice smallie there. Nice smallie there. That's a nice one. Nice, probably 2-pounder, 2 1/4 maybe, a little bit bigger. He has some parasites on him. Those little black things. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. Thank you, guy. Number 4. Jig and crankbait day. Oh, I'm going right in the shallow again. I just said that one just surfaced right in front of me, and oh, I missed that one. I missed that one. Get back out there. See what my trailer looks like. That was in the hook. Let's get back out there. So like I said, people, all I'm doing is swimming it along. I'm popping it twice off the bottom, then I'm reeling down on it. Oh, I'm gonna paddle out again. All right, let's paddle out again. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to get a little heavier anchor, but can't complain. Having a good day. Having a good day out of the pond. Let's turn around here.